Today, you will hear a real and amazing story. A woman fell from the sky, from 10,000 meters. And she lived, yes, she survived. This story is 100% true. Let's begin. Vesna Vulović was a flight attendant. She worked for a Yugoslav airline. She was 22 years old. On January the 26th, 1972, she was working on a plane from Copenhagen to Belgrade. The plane had 28 people on board. Suddenly, at 10,000 meters above the ground, there was a big explosion. The plane broke into pieces. All people fell from the sky. Vesna was in the tail part of the plane. She fell for 3 minutes through the air. She hit the ground, but she did not die. Trees and snow helped her fall. A man found her. She was hurt, but she was alive. Vesna had many injuries, broken bones, a damaged spine, and a long coma. But after some months, she walked again. She became a hero. Scientists were shocked. How did she survive? Vesna's story teaches us something. Human life is strong. The body and mind can survive very hard things. It also shows the power of luck and miracle. Thank you for watching. If you like the story, subscribe for more real English stories. Learn English with true amazing events.